Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yes.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County, Ohio.
Oh yeah, that's me.
Fairfield County, south central Delaware County, southwestern Licking County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Powell, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Pickerington, Worthington, Bexley, Pawhuska, Powell, Canal Winchester, Minerva Park, The Ohio State University, Beachwood Trail, Polaris, Easton, Summit Station, and Granville South. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 101 and 121. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 108 and 125.
I was waiting for something to happen.
Southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, northeastern Pickaway County, until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Columbus, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Pickerington, Bexley, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Asheville, Baltimore, The Ohio State University, Whitehall, Grandview Heights, Odessa, Wilton, Lithopolis, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, and Carroll. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 92 and 112. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 100 and 114.
Again!
Thunderstorm watch, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You are listening. warning for West Central Guernsey County, Southwestern Coshocton County, Central Muskingum County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fredericksburg, or 8 miles north of Zanesville, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Cambridge, New Concord, North Zanesville, Dresden, Fredericksburg, Pleasant Grove, Norwich, High Hill, Chandlersville, Bridgeville, Otsego. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 156 and 178. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 47 and 49. Unsevere favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County, Ohio, southern Delaware County, northwestern Licking County, northeastern Madison County, southeastern Union County, Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Powell, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Delaware, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Worthington, Pawhuskobah, Powell, Johnstown, Sunbury, Plain City, Minerva Park, New California, Polaris, Easton, Summit Station in Whitehall. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 111 and 132. You are listening to NOAA Weather. Go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, Fairfield County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Canal Winchester, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Pickerington, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Bremen, Pleasantville, Hideaway Hills, Royalton, Lycopolis, Carroll, Sugar Grove, Rushville, West Rushville, Fairfield County Airport, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, Clearport, North Bern and Dumontville. Southeastern Muskingum County, Central Noble County, until 5 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of New Concord, or 13 miles east of Zanesville, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Caldwell, New Concord, Dudley, Cumberland, Bell Valley, Sarasville, Dexter City, Norwich, High Hill, Chandlersville, Bridgeville, Duncan Falls. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 162 and 170. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 18 and 33. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Clark County,
severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fayette, southeastern Clark, southwestern Madison counties until 5:30 p.m. 448, severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Locations in or near the path include London, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Bloomingburg, Lisbon, South Solon, Midway, Newport, Genoa, Interstate 71 at State Route 38, and Madison Mills and Spookwater. This also includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 68 and 80. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for northeastern Fayette, southeastern Clark, and southwestern Madison, effective until 5:30 p.m. This is NEWX Columbus Weather.
Central Fairfield County, Central Rocky County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lancaster.
At Safe Auto, no objects in the mirror can be closer than fear. Much closer. Heck, stuff happens. That's why we're here 24/7 with state minimum coverage that can save you up to
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fayette County, northeastern Highland County, and Ross County in southwestern Ohio till 6:30 p.m. 524, a severe thunderstorm is located near New Holland, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Locations in or near the path include Chillicothe, Washington Courthouse, Greenfield, Leesburg, Kingston, Bainbridge, New Holland, North Fork Village, Good Hope, Frankfort, Clarksburg, South Salem, East Monroe, Mooresville, Austin, Rock Mills, Masseyville, and New Martinsburg. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for southeastern Fayette, northeastern Highland, and Ross counties in southwestern Ohio, effective until 6:30 p.m. This is Columbus Weather.